Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add a profile picture to your Amazon profile. Now let's begin. Well, do note that I've already logged into my account. In case you have not, to log in, it is quite easy. Initially, what you guys have to do is hover over the navbar on the rightmost section. Right here you can see something like Accounts and List. Simply click on the button right there. Now initially, you'll be in the Your Account section. Though there are lots of settings, no need to be overwhelmed. Simply scroll down till you see something like Shopping Programs and Rentals. And from here, let's directly go to Manage Your Amazon Family. And as you can see, this right here is my Amazon family. And I want to change the profile picture for this profile right here. So I'm just gonna click on it. Well, from here, as you can see, has something like profile picture. Simply hit on Edit right now. And let's simply click on Change Profile Picture. From here, you can select the profile picture of your choice. I'm simply gonna select it and hit on Open. And once the picture has uploaded, what you guys need to do is simply hit on Save. And guys, that's it. That's how we add a profile picture to your Amazon profile. That's it guys. Hope you guys found this video informative. And for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.